everybody, I'm Marge.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this is Terrell. And you are watching the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show.
Woohoo!
Oh, yeah. Hey everybody, I'm Marge. And welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, sometimes Terrell can really communicate to us what he wants, so this is our way of helping him. And today's episode is part 2 of the St. Patrick's Day fun.
Parkland parade.
Well, we'll just
You
say
know
fun.
what I mean. Part
Yeah.
two.
Well, we had a lot of
St.
fun.
Patrick's
The show
Day.
still would have been better with me in it. I'm just saying, lights, camera, me. Anyway, for the second part of our fun, we will be making banana splits. Which I don't like banana, but I will be enjoying the ice cream. If I don't eat it all before we get done, and then just.
But before
like,
we
look
start,
so,
not ever. Mark.
Huh?
Yeah. Before we start, we're just going to show you a little around. We got our names, as you can see down here. The background. We got all the colors. We got the little clock back again. Yeah. And the hot dog, unfortunately, it's not real. Anyway, so to get started, you will need ice cream of your choice. Of course, banana. But hide it from Terrell. He gonna be eating. Something
Something we
Sure.
cannot mention in front of Terrell, and I would just hide that so we don't not see them again before we finish them.
optional chocolate syrup.
Syrup. I see the cherries and the chocolate, the syrup.
Mhm. And whipped cream, extra cream.
Oh, my favorite.
An ice cream scoop and 2 bowls.
I'll take the small bowl. We'll make the big bowl for our queen. I mean the boss. The boss who is the queen.
The caramel woman.
The one who run all the stuff up in here. Okay, let's get the scooping. Let's get the scooping.
Ice cream.
Alright. Here we go. Scoop. Let Terrell scoop. I'm starting to regret this very quickly. Chef Tiffany, why don't you get in there and assist? You know what I just realized? We forgot the knife. I guess we'll just do it whole. Alright. Just get that scoop up in there. Alright. For time's sake, we'll be right back. Thank you very much. You know what else I just realized? We didn't put the banana in first. And that's for a good reason, actually. We'd like to switch it up here. So we're going to put the bananas on top, for the queen who likes to eat her bananas first. She be getting all the flavors. That's how that one works. And then we will put our extra ingredients on top. You're supposed to peel it first and then cut.
I got that. It's for time's sake.
It might look more plump.
See, it feels right off.
Yeah, let's assist with that for time's sake. Yeah, put the banana in the bowl. And for safety purposes. Alright, that should be good. Yep. Get it all up in there. Next, the syrup. That's it. Control yourselves. Especially you, Terrell. No more SpongeBob and chocolate with you. Okay, that should be good. Then the fruit that shall not be mentioned.
always forget the plastic wrap.
That's because they make it look like it's already open.
It's cherry.
Oh, wait a minute. I think it's whipped cream and then the cherries. And then the sprinkles. Ah, I actually did good this time. The sprinkles and then the cherry on top.
Look at cherry. No pun intended.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Just don't drop it. Just saying.
Alrighty. And when we come back, it'll be time for today's sidebar. Okay, and now it's time for today's sidebar.
Today's sidebar.
Yes, today's sidebar is an extension of what we had previously said last week. It is about how you could donate to the benefit of autism and researching autism. And we will give you the website again to show you where you can donate. And that website name is Tiffany's?
www.iamautismlv.org.
I know that is not me with a fart cloud coming out my butt. I know that is not me with a fart cloud coming out my butt.
It was going to be a rainbow. It's a cloud, Margaret.
I see a person right there, and why is she named Margaret? Why is she named Margaret? That's all I want to know.
Okay.
And that's today's sidebar. Thank you. No,
I was drawing a cloud.
I was trying to lighten the moment. That's what that happened. No, dog, why I ain't got no gas. But
it's a rainbow.
I saw a puffy cloud. That's all I'm saying. But now we're going to enjoy our Sundays, and coincidentally, it's on Sunday. So that's all we have for you today.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at PKCS2018. And see y'all next time. Goodbye, Cheryl.
There you go. Bye.
See ya.